are all set for Warner Brothers and SeaWorld today. Aniket is just packing our gadgets last minute. Anaya's almost sleepy in the stroller. So, like I mentioned earlier, the tickets to 2 parks are free if you're staying in Yas Island. So, let's go. Guys, we are walking to Warner Brothers. It's literally 1 minute from the hotel. Such a beautiful morning. The sun is out today, so I'm super duper happy. बोल मेरा फोटो लगेगा एक. So guys, we are inside the Warner Brothers Hotel, which is right next to the DoubleTree Hotel. So when you just come inside the hotel and go out, that's Warner Brothers. I don't know if you guys can see the yellow part, but that's the Warner Brothers park. Super excited. Guys, we are so excited to relive our childhood. Guys, the park opens at 10. Make sure you're here at 10 because it's quite empty. Wow, guys, I mean, just look at the sky. This is I'm not able to digest it. This is, oh my god, guys. Just look at the sky, guys. Guys, from the Sylvester and Tweety and Tom and Jerry and Bugs Bunny area, we are now heading towards the Flintstone area. Oh my god. Guys, just look at the sky. How amazing. I know Flintstones ka gaadi, right? Guys, just FYI, we haven't had any breakfast, so our stay at the hotel was without breakfast. So we're gonna eat first now and then roam around again. Guys, so we are at Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills to have some breakfast. We're having chicken sandwich and chocolate croissant. Nutella croissant to be specific. Guys, you might be wondering, this place is a little dark, and that's because we are inside Gotham City. Batmobile, Batman, and my Batman. Shut up, I know it's Gotham City and not Gothi City. मैं हूँ Gothi. Bye, Sylvester, you're my favorite. Guys, we just headed outside the park now. It's almost 1 o'clock. We came here at 10. The park is not that big. You can easily cover it in half a day. And
But if you are going to the right,
oh yeah, sorry, I take back my words. But we don't know how much time you'll need if you sit on rides. We didn't sit on any rides, obviously, because we have a baby with us. But the key is to come at 10 in the morning when the park opens. It's literally empty. Not many shops will be. Many shops were still it's too sunny. Many shops were still closed when we came, but most of it were open. So we had a great time visiting the gift shops. So if you, oops. So if you come at 10, the park will be empty. You can just explore at your own free pace and queue up for the rides. So that's it from Warner Brother, guys. Let's see what we do next. We are planning to head to the room now and rest so that Anaya can stretch and relax a little bit. And then we are planning to go to the Sea World after lunch. See you guys.
Guys, we are going out again. We took rest for two and a half hours.
Yeah.
Now we are going out again. We'll tell you where we are going in some time.
Guys, we have reached Sea World with Anaya. We took a 3-hour break in the afternoon. It's very important when you have a baby that you take a break. Otherwise, the kids get very tired, especially babies. So we are finally here and excited, and I'm really digging the music. Guys, so mics are not allowed.
Abu Dhabi today.
Hi guys, we are back to our room. So I couldn't speak much in SeaWorld because she said mics are not allowed and the music and the background sound was really loud there. But SeaWorld was amazing and Anaya actually enjoyed. She was looking at all the movements and it was very stimulating for her. So from SeaWorld we went to Yas Mall, and in Yas Mall we took Cinnabon takeaway. I love Cinnabon and I crave for Cinnabon all the time. I know we have Cinnabon in Bangalore, but I'm sorry it doesn't taste like the Cinnabon here. So we took Cinnabon takeaway when we got back. Anaya just ate and slept. We're gonna have some dinner, watch Emily in Paris. If you have any doubts about Warner Brothers or SeaWorld, let me know. All the places are extremely stroller friendly, and Warner Brothers has a very nice changing area, feeding area. SeaWorld I'm not sure because we didn't require or we didn't use a changing room. But one thing I would definitely recommend is that this hotel is amazing, guys, amazing. It's close to all the parks within like 5 minutes. Warner Brothers like at walkable distance, and if you stay at this hotel, you will get 2 tickets free to any 2 parks. I mean, how many of our adults are staying? That many tickets free for 2 parks. I mean, it is totally worth it. So go for it. And we have a cab coming tomorrow in the morning at 10. So we have a cab coming in at 10 tomorrow, and we're going back to Dubai tomorrow. And we're paying 300 dirhams for the cab. So yeah, I think that's it from today's vlog, guys. It was a great day. So bye bye. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And you can also see my live stories and updates on Instagram as well. Bye.